we proudly present to you the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G, most probably the best flagship at 40K. It's called the Hyperphone due to its flagship features like the unbelievable 120 watts super speed hypercharge, the flagship Snapdragon 888, IP53 dust and water resistance, or the Victus glass protection, the best Corning has to offer at the present moment. In the unboxing experience, you find the usual suspects: SIM ejector pin, transparent soft case, and most importantly for you headphone users, a Type-C to 3.5mm converter to compensate the lack of the headphone jack. The free case feels a bit softer to touch compared to the ones given with the Redmi Note 11 series devices or the Xiaomi 11 Hypercharge, but gets the job done with awesome protection for the camera unit. Now for the hero of this video, the Xiaomi 11T Pro looks and feels premium with a kind of silver theme, an off-white colored glass back, and a metallic silver finish at the sides, which gives it that premium touch, and a simple yet elegant and sophisticated looking camera unit, this time with a not so huge camera bump. And unfortunately, the back is frosted glass with a 100% failure rate against the blade. This time, Xiaomi has made the 11T Pro much lighter at just 204 grams, a full 14 grams lighter than the 10T Pro at 118 grams. The build quality feels pretty sturdy as of now in my usual trial bend. Is the Xiaomi 11T Pro actually the best flagship at 40K? We'll find that out soon enough. And lastly, the other superhero inside the box, the 120 watts hypercharge adapter, advertised to reach 100% in 17 minutes. We will be speed testing that out for proof in a separate video. On the AMOLED display, a wide-angle 16 megapixels f2.45 CMOS backside illumination sensor. At the back, on the triple camera unit, a primary CMOS BSI 108 megapixel wide-angle lens, an 8 megapixel 120 degrees for ultra-wide shots, and a 5 megapixels 2.4 50mm telemacro lens. In this part of the video, we are testing for the stress resistance quality of the tempered glass protection on the AMOLED display and at the back of this premium dual glass design. Unfortunately, the back glass is again frosted for a matte effect, less fingerprints, and is a totally non-reflective design. We are saying unfortunate because frosted glass has a 100% failure record against the blade and sharp objects in every device and flagship tested on the channel. The other devices which consistently fail the blade have been on some BBK devices due to poor quality tempered glass protection. On first glance, everything seems to be fine, but if you pay closer attention, the 11T Pro also fails the stress test with light permanent marks on the frosted glass as usual. Next, on to fun stuff with value, the bend test. Is the dual glass design an aluminum metal body equipped to withstand accidental pressure? Is the build quality as good as a flagship should be? A slight bit of flex near the finger scanner. The 11T Pro is able to handle the first massive pressure without damage or cracking sounds. Again, an equal amount of bend degree from the glass backside. Xiaomi seems to have done its homework and made a true hyper build quality. Of course, there is a bit of flex, especially near the top half of the metal frame. But as previously expected, The flagship Hyperphone Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G passes the pen test due to its excellent flagship build and design. Now onto the waterproofing part of the video in the complete water test of the Xiaomi 11T Pro. It is awesome that the 11T Pro carries an official IP53 dust and water resistance rating like you find these days on many Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco devices. The only brand which cares to give proper IP certifications on the devices. Their competition brands do not bother with it as a means to cost cut. If you remember, the last generation Mi 10T Pro 5G did not have an IP rating, yet it managed to pass in a water test, but did suffer from dust in one of its lenses. In the ongoing olophobic bath testing round, as always, the presence of an olophobic layer becomes clear by the way water flows over the surface in a non-sticking, repulsive fashion. Xiaomi has a perfect record in this area, unlike many Realme and BBK devices who believe in cost-cutting the olophobic coating. Also, the audio output from the stereo speakers have not yet taken any beatings in the form of distortion or low loudness levels, which can be an early sign of initial liquid damage if the audio does get affected. This is the primary reason why the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G has already crossed to the ongoing lag splashing round, the round responsible for the damage and demise of the Redmi Note 8 and 9, and recently indirectly responsible for the total display damage of the Realme 9 Pro and Narzo 50i. We are expecting the dual glass and metal design to convincingly fight against liquid damage and abuse, further strengthened by the fact of a red rubberized sealant, hence also proving the official IP certification of the 11T Pro 5G. On an important side note, we would like to warn you against dangerous submersion videos which mislead the misinformed audiences into believing that the devices are submersion proof, because it will definitely lead to expensive repair charges since liquid damage isn't covered under normal warranty. The Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G, even at this latest stage, has not yet faced the headphone icon issue, camera lens fogging, black screen issues or any other kind of temporary issues seen before. Also, there are no signs of the annoying dust accumulation issue on the lens, as was seen on the Mi 10T Pro 5G. The Hyperphone Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G passes a water test as is expected of a flagship in awesome fashion, largely due to the IP-rated goodness. The Hyperphone hype is real.